So Anita and I are here today to share with you our latest crazy ideas. We have both fallen in love with acrylic templates made by Creative Grids. I've favoured the 8 and you're favouring the 6.
Yes, I've gone for the 6.
And it's not about the number of pieces, it's about the size of the blocks.
That's right, but the 6 does have less pieces than the 8. So,
okay.
you know, so there are actually 4 main pieces on the 6.
So 4 of these become a star when you put them together. So instead of just being a mishmash of similar fabrics, these were fat quarters, in fact, that I had arranged that are similar to each other. I've cut them out. I've tried to have different fabrics in each of the locations. Yeah. So like you, once I've cut them, I've kind of sorted them because the sewing is just so straightforward.
Oh, it's incredible.